Okay, let's talk about number 2 now. So this has a lot of stuff going on with it. So we have a -2 times x times a y squared, and we have a 4 times x to the -3 times a y. So first I'm going to take my bases, and I'm kind of going to go about this like a combining of like terms route. So I'm going to see my whole numbers. So I have -2 and 4. My coefficients, I'm sorry. So -2 times 4, when I multiply those together, is going to give me -8. Now let's look at the next base that we have, which is x. So I have x to the first here, and I have x to the -3. So I'll have x to the first plus -3. Now let's look at our y's. Let me grab a different color. And I have y squared and y to the first. So I get y squared plus 1. Okay, now all I have to do is do some simplifying. My -8 is going to stay the same. My x, I get 1 plus -3, which is -2. And then I have y to the second power plus 1, so that gives me y to the third. Now, it looks like I'm done, but I'm not, because I have a negative exponent, so that means that x to the negative second power does not go where it is right now. So this gives me -8, which stays on the top. X squared goes on the bottom because it was the negative exponent. And then y to the third power is a positive exponent, so it stays on the top. And that is my answer, my friends.